Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove this door off its hinges, as well as removing the hardware from it. Ultimately, I'm going to be refinishing this door, so I need to take everything off it in order to sand it, prime it, paint it. I'll do that in the next video, but for this video, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do that prep work and remove the door. Now that the door is free, I'm going to continue to remove all the hardware and the hinges because sanding, this is going to get totally in my way. And ultimately, like I said, I'm going to be refinishing the door and I'm going to swap out the hinges for a different color. Brass really is my thing. So I just wanted to give you a quick video of how easy it is to remove a door off its hinges as well as its hardware. Stay tuned for the other video where I'm going to be transforming this door to hopefully something really good. Fingers crossed, we'll see. You never know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for watching.